Hello and welcome to Quick Solution. In this video I'm going to show you how to add music on Facebook profile. So this is pretty simple, and let's jump right into it. I'm going to open my Facebook app right here, and then from the top right corner I'm going to select the icon with the three lines, and then I'm going to my profile option right here. Right now I'm going to scroll down right here until I find this option where it says what's on your mind, and I'm going to tap on that in order to create like a new post. So if I'm going to scroll down through these options, I should be able to find the option which says music. I'm going to tap on that option right here, and I can choose a song from the recommended section right here, but as well as I can just select the search bar and just select search for the song that I want to use. In my case, just for the purpose of this video, I'm going to select a random photo or random song right here, and after that I have to just hit the post button in order to add this song to my profile. So this is all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one.